in front of you. Trinidad artist known as CKIN Andrews, also called Faces, and his friend Kristen Lindsay, also known as Ming, were shot and killed in Pleasantville on Wednesday night. Now today is Thursday and yesterday was Wednesday, so it's not even 24 hours yet. We in the morning. Yo, the man them in a Trinidad with the reggae music and dancehall thing. The man them disgusting and bumbleclad. And this me I talk about. Yo, the man them are some sick motherfuckers. Yo, pardon my language. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now, I want to talk about Trinidad and the murder music. Cause I talk about this all the while. And some people say, boy, me a bash Trinidad and this and that. But look on them two young youth here. The man them get killed. You understand? And when me see it, I say, yo, them youth here is a set a drunk with them dog. The man them at Trinidad workless. Them take the music and turn it in a murder music. Them blame Prezi. Them blame Six Dan. Them blame Swanee. Even though them a pussy too, straight up. But only can't blame them man there. The man them in Trinidad need to take responsibility. Wanna take with music star and wanna turn it in a murder music. When he's a set a bunch of disrespectful motherfuckers. Cause it's really upsetting. Now me say, yo, I want to do the Trinidad thing. You understand? You have some youth about Trinidad dancehall channel and me say, yo, I work with them and work with the artists them. But if me I work with any artist at Trinidad, them have to sign instantly with me. So when on the dead, we can't get royalties, cause I saw the music industry still, if you never know. Yo, when is a set of pussy? Yo, why the man them cannot unite? You understand? Why the man them have to kill out each other? Wanna take the music, them thing they don't go on a Jamaica, you know. Jamaican run underneath a thing when you order. Man and man need to negotiate. Listen, it's time the boss them step up and put out some statement and tell the man them stop the killing. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, the 12, whoever. You understand? You see, peace, negotiation can't come overnight. Listen, we need the boss them to step up, and I'm not pointing out nobody and call nobody name. Whoever is a boss on the need to make on a statement through the social media, through the people them, yo. B, this is very disturbing. Yo, disgusting, evil. The man them a kill off each other on the take a bumbleclad music where we spend years and develop and turn it in a murder music. We not use the music to send message. Most of the man them, me hear say them now make no money, this, that, Ray. Only couple artists are the thing. Swanee, him run away from Prezi and the man them, and you can't blame him, even though him a tomato. But you cannot blame him, cause me would have run away left on the two, yo. B, the man them are some pussy. Straight up. All you sing about is man and gun. None of you now sing anything about women, anything about culture. You understand? You have some set a bomba. Yo, all you do is bad mind each other and kill off each other. You understand? You think that could work at Jamaica? You have some set of idiot. You know, the man them have a gem. You don't know what you have, you know. Cause I love Trinidad, I love the movement. I said, yo, I want to try get into the movement and help some of them money. But listen, this shit is very disturbing. With that said, yo, when I have some pussy hole, yo, wanna turn the Jamaican reggae music into murder music. Notice, not one Trinidad artist was on Sting. And me I tell the Jamaican producer, yo, una do the right thing, yo. Una do the right thing. Una fi change this fucking thing. Now, I so do a little peace thing with gang thing. And I don't know how una negotiate peace. But let me tell you how negotiation go. You see, all of the damn them have to sit down at the table. And everybody have to put something on the table. You can't have a bumper peace negotiation when every man just come in at 1 minute and them all and go in front of camera. No, peace negotiation take a period of time. Everybody, I'm not call them a name, but everybody who are influencer in the thing have to come to the table and put something down on the table. You understand? Listen, what I do, it's sickening a bumper cloud. I'm now go sit down here so and make una destroy the music. You understand? Now you have so much artists at Trinidad and not one reggae concert in a Trinidad where the artists them can perform. None of them now perform. None of them now do no stage show. All you do, I go on social media and I chat about each other like pussy wall. That include Swanny, include the other man them, Meds boss, Tappy boss, whoever the fuck on is, and have peer boss. I hear that thing on I do. You understand? I want to for bomb cloud, stop it. Listen, when we see the news with the two youth them, it not make no sense. You understand? On the turn with reggae music, murder music, I want to stop that bomber cloud. I don't care who want vex, You understand? Cause you see me, a justice me I deal with. Yo, me rather the man them make money. When the hustler make money and do the thing properly, dog. When I have a good thing. Like me say, me love Trinidad, Me love Trinidad. And me like how the man them and I do the thing, and you understand? Another thing I want to say. Me know say me pick pan Prezi, Me pick pan Prezi. But over a period of time, cause me is a man, and me have to be honest with myself. You see, Prezi, me understand Prezi position. Straight up. Me understand I'm on the position. And me no feel like all people paint Prezi it fear. And me no never say, boy, countryman turn 7. The only people them I go say that are the enabler them. Me no want to take responsible for them action. You understand? You see me the day at Trinidad, would I clean up the whole on the bomb buckler? Straight up. Yo, a prison, the whole on now go. Straight up. Because on a tech with reggae music and I turn it in a murder music. But back to what me did I say. I understand Prezi position. You understand? I just understand the man position. I not support him. And I not support nobody. I just say I understand him position. At the end of the day, the man them if come together and put on the war thing. And that me and Bumbo Clad say. Because listen my youth, one I do sickening a pussy clot, una destroy reggae music, una turn it in a murder music. That's why nobody now invite at no stage show, no concert or nothing. And that me have to say. And listen, me have more video come on this, Cause I want to talk about the boy Prince Swanny. I want to talk about some other things. I want to talk about the boy SCHANNEL. Cause you see SCHANNEL, when him do a show, him got a dress, And you see when SCHANNEL done, I just him boxers, him can't even find him shoes, him can't find him shirt. So me gonna talk about them things there. I will leave by other things me I talk about. But yo, stop turning the thing in a murder music. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.